Some apartments feel expensive the second you walk in. The room feels calmer, cleaner, more intentional, and the entire space just feels good to be in. Then you look closer and realize the apartment may not even be that large. The furniture may not even be designer. Meanwhile, other apartments can have expensive furniture, expensive finishes, expensive decor, and somehow still feel visually chaotic. That's because expensive-looking apartments follow a different rule. They remove visual tension from the room. And once you understand where that tension actually comes from, you start realizing most apartments don't need more decor. They need less visual conflict. 1. Visual calm. One thing expensive apartments do really well is create visual calm. Your eye knows where to look, and the room doesn't feel like every object is competing for attention at the same time. A lot of smaller apartments accidentally do the opposite. Every shelf has decorations, every wall has art, every corner has something placed there just to fill the space. The apartment may technically be clean, but the room still feels restless because your eye never gets a chance to relax. Luxury interiors usually let one thing lead the room. Maybe it's one oversized artwork piece, a large mirror, a sculptural lamp, or one beautiful chair. Everything else becomes quieter around that focal point, and honestly, this is where a lot of people accidentally make apartments look cheaper. They keep adding instead of editing. Quick test tonight. Walk into your living room and ask yourself, what is my eye supposed to focus on first? If the answer is everything, the room probably feels visually crowded. 2. Visual noise. A lot of apartments don't actually have a space problem, they have a visual interruption problem. Cables across surfaces, random objects sitting on the floor, open shelving overflowing with things, tiny decor scattered everywhere, multiple colors fighting for attention at the same time. Your brain keeps stopping to process visual noise, and once that starts happening, the apartment automatically feels tighter and less elevated. This is why luxury hotels feel calmer than most apartments even when the rooms are smaller. Everything is visually controlled. One of the fastest upgrades you can make is reducing visible microclutter. Not necessarily owning less, just containing things better. Trays, closed storage, cable management, all help. Even grouping smaller objects together instead of spreading them throughout the room makes a huge difference. Because expensive-looking apartments usually feel visually smooth, not visually busy. 3. Warm lighting. Lighting changes how every single thing in your apartment looks. This is probably the highest visual upgrade in a small apartment. Harsh overhead lighting immediately flattens a room. Furniture looks less rich. The apartment starts feeling more clinical than elevated. Expensive spaces almost never rely on one bright ceiling light. Instead, they layer lighting. Floor lamps, table lamps, picture lights, wall sconces, warm indirect glow, and the goal isn't brightness, it's atmosphere. That softer layered lighting adds depth to the room and changes how materials look entirely. Wood looks warmer, textures feel softer. The apartment suddenly feels calmer without changing the furniture at all. If you would like more quiet luxury apartment ideas, renter-friendly upgrades, and realistic ways to make small spaces feel elevated without overspending, subscribe to Lovely Living. 4. Go large. A lot of small apartments accidentally look cheaper because everything inside them is too small. Small rug, small artwork, tiny lamps, tiny shelves, tiny decor pieces everywhere, and ironically, all those smaller pieces make the apartment feel even smaller. Luxury interiors usually use fewer, larger pieces instead. A larger rug visually expands the room immediately. Oversized artwork creates impact without clutter. Tall curtains stretch the walls upward and make ceilings feel higher. One large mirror reflects light and creates openness instantly. Luxury interiors understand scale extremely well. They create stronger visual moments instead of filling rooms with tiny distractions. One oversized statement piece almost always looks more expensive than multiple smaller decorative objects scattered throughout the room. 5. Stay cohesive. One thing that quietly makes apartments feel chaotic is Inconsistency. Different wood tones, different metal finishes, cool lighting in one corner, warm lighting in another. Modern furniture mixed with farmhouse mixed with boho. Individually, none of these things are necessarily bad, but together, the apartment starts feeling visually disconnected. Expensive interiors usually repeat the same visual language throughout the room. The tones feel connected. The textures feel intentional. The lighting feels consistent. And suddenly, the apartment starts feeling curated instead of randomly assembled over time. 6. Use restraint. This might actually be the biggest shift of all. A lot of people decorate small apartments by trying to prove the apartment is stylish. So every corner gets decorated. Every trend gets added somewhere. Every surface becomes styled. But expensive-looking apartments usually feel more restrained and more edited. There's confidence in the simplicity. The room doesn't feel desperate for attention. It just feels calm. And honestly, that's usually the difference between an apartment that feels elevated and one that feels visually exhausting after a few minutes. Because luxury is rarely about adding more things into a room, it's about removing what never needed to be there in the first place. Once you start looking at your apartment through the lens of visual calm instead of just decor, everything changes. You stop buying random objects that don't actually improve the space. You start editing the room differently. Even a smaller apartment can start feeling softer, calmer, cleaner, and honestly, look much more expensive.